Hi, G here with another review. We're looking at the Grand Hotel in Bensberg where Iris and I stayed recently on our trip to Europe. We stayed just after Christmas and it's a fantastic hotel. If you're staying or you're looking for a hotel near Cologne, you may want to have a look at this one. It's definitely a top 3 hotel for us. It ranks right up there with some of the nicest places we've stayed at, like in Kuala Lumpur, Dubai, Singapore and so on. There's a little bit of the entrance which just looks amazing from any view. A lovely bottle of wine on arrival and a nice note from the manager. So we stayed in a junior suite, which was quite a huge room even by Australian standards, and very luxurious. We had a beautiful bathroom with a twin vanity and a little spa bath and so on, so that was very nice. And it also has a mini bar which was totally free and that was replenished daily. Now we were on the 3rd floor and we had this stunning view over Cologne, and just seeing the hotel at night time was great. And my goodness, this grand staircase was just the icing on the cake. You really felt like you were staying in a mansion or something. It was really lovely to walk on. Being just after Christmas, there was lots of decorations around the place, and interestingly enough, the hotel also has its own library, which is something I'd never experienced before, and it was quite fascinating. I felt like I was in a Harry Potter movie or something. The first night we stayed there, we had some room service. Now you are allowed to have guests with you, join you, so that was very nice. The room service menu is not very extensive, but not so with the breakfast buffet. There was a huge array of breads and cakes, different types of cheeses and cold meats. Certainly there was plenty of food, enough to satisfy anyone. There's a spa right at the bottom of the hotel with a sauna and a pool and a gym, which was also very, very nice to have. There are other restaurants inside the hotel complex as well, but we didn't use them. We just had the breakfast buffet in the morning and also some room service. Other than that, we just ate out. So if you are staying in the Cologne area and you're looking for a hotel and you perhaps want to treat yourself, well, this is definitely a 5-star top quality hotel, and like I mentioned, we'd rate it in our top 3 of places that we've stayed. So that concludes my review. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you very soon with more reviews and other stuff. Thanks again. Take care out there, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.